Once again, welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to explore about the blessings offered unto us by the existence. To understand ourselves, we have to understand what the existence is. Existence is infinite. Its offerings are also infinite. Let us see the sky. The sky has infinite number of stars. Let us see the sea. They have enormous amount of waters. If you see into any directions, those directions are infinite. The depth of the existence is very deep. As we are also very deep, the existence is also the same. So it is important to understand about the existence. Understanding the existence and understanding the self is one and the same. Then where do problems come from? Human beings are faced with enormous number of problems. The problems are self-created, not created by the existence. Existence offers whatever required for us. Existence is always helping the beings and the non-beings. That's why we don't find any conflict in the animal kingdom. Except man, all the other things are functioning in great order. But we find that man is in great disorder. Then how to come out of this great disorder? We know very well what the disorders are. War is the highest form of disorder. Not only war, violence, hatred, ruthlessness, carelessness. We can add and add. We can go on and on. So many disorders are with us. They are not created by the existence. We ourselves have created these kind of disorders. In fact, the existence is helping us to be far away from these kind of disorders. That's why it becomes very important to understand ourselves. To understand ourselves, we have to take the help of the existence. Existence is the only reality which we are having. Existence is eternal. It has no time at all. Similarly, we are also beyond time. If you are aware, we find that we can go beyond time very easily. We can arrive at the timeless dimension of life very easily. The existence indicates that it has tremendous treasures. We are born here to understand the existence, including ourselves. To understand the existence, doing japas or counting mantras will not have any use. Instead, we are to have a meditative mind, a conscious and an alert mind. We have to observe our day-to-day life, not only the day-to-day life, but also the whole existence. The existence is our teacher. We are the students. We must be ready to learn from the existence. Existence is very much neutral. It is, in fact, the divine. If we observe the existence closely, we become that. But there is a gap created by the human mind between the existence and ourselves. That's why duality arises. To go beyond the duality must be the purpose of our life. If we are aware, we can find that we can go beyond all these conditionings. Because of duality, we are in conditions. The mind is totally conditioned. So to go beyond the conditionings, we must understand what we are having. Existence is what is. Already we have told that what is the most simple, but our mind makes the what is as very complicated. That's why we are not in a position to understand ourselves and also the existence. The day we understand the existence and ourselves, that day is the day of enlightenment. A great peace is prevailing here. The peace is within us. It is here and now. If we are able to live in the present, we can find it out. But our mind drags ourselves into the past or the future. It is because of the spiritual ignorance. When the ignorance ends, the day of enlightenment comes. We can do this because as already we have told that the brain has that kind of capacity. For that, simply we are to be aware moment to moment. Then we can merge ourselves with the whole existence. Existence is celebration. We can become that celebration and get all the blessings of the existence. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing the another aspect of life.